Good morning, everyone. I am Madesh from Savita Engineering College, second year. I am from EC department. Today, I am here to present my PPT on the control system skill assessment. So my skill assessment topic is AI drone power control system, which operates hundreds of drones in a single system. This gives command and controls for every 10 milliseconds. So I am here to explain about this PowerPoint presentation. I have presented here for you. First, the overview of the system. The block diagram of this control system gives instructions and commands every 10 milliseconds for this system, which controls the entire base of the drones. These drones operate based on the commands given and the inputs given to the system, which align in a proper alignment and perform in a proper way to give the desired output, which is at the maximum satisfying level for the users and many other activities which need to be fulfilled. The core components, there are four major components here. First is the processor. The processor should be a high-end processor to make it more efficient and more highly efficient and more rapid to the module. And we need a GPS tracking system. Obviously, the drones will be gathered in the sky. They need to be aligned properly, and a proper sequence should be maintained. And the sensor array are maintained to detect objects and preventing them from collision, preventing each stones from collision, preventing it from colliding with a bird or any other flying species, which will obviously make a disaster here. And the actuator system, the actuator translates the input signal in a more readable format and a more interpreting format for the system. And the system block diagram. The system block diagram generally gives an overview of the working of the system, of the control system. So there is a GPS and sensor feedback. The feedback gives an input. The feedback gives an input which is modified according to the desired output. And the GPS and sensor, as I already said, they are used for detecting and giving a perfect alignment and perfect input system to the drones. And the AI controller and the drone movement and the actuator commands are also other major important components of the control system to make it essential for running and performing. The first working procedure. The first procedure is data collection. The sensor gathers the position of all the drones and it interprets in a landscape where each and every drones are placed, and the location tracking, and it tracks each and every drone's location, and it gives a precise information to each and every. And the processor analyzes these data, and we will give an desired output for the drones, and these processor, according to the input and the output, this processor gives instructions to the system, and this system controls the entire drones. And the generation of the output is the control system generation. They give command for the drones and get an excellently desired output. And the real time application and real time architecture, this basically operates in a feedback. If the output is not desired, the output goes back to the input and gives a desired output, and it completes. So obstacle detection, weather changing, conflicts, and energy optimization according to the battery life, everything is needed. Application. In future we will have a package delivery and disaster relief, which is one of the most important components for the military, and they are Indian government is mostly working through this. And agricultural, we are certainly using this agricultural in agricultural aspects for fertilizers and pesticides. And infrastructure, giving a proper infrastructure and making it well developed for the third view. Why this is very important. And the advantages, obviously we can't go in a military rescue system and look into what is there. So this is an autonomous device, so which is really helpful in the device. Enhance safety obviously, and it can be easily scalable to a large extent, and it is efficient in routing. There is no need for traffic lights, traffic signals, other vehicles. This is commuted in air, so it's obviously very easy and reasonable. That's it. Thank you for paying attention. Thank you.